up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and that handsome guy right there is my husband, Chris. And in today's video, we have a jam-packed motivational clean that is for sure gonna get you to scratch some of those items off of your to-do list. So we are starting here by clearing off this table and getting it organized to give it a good spray down. This table is the happening place in our house, from crafts, eating, painting, and everything in between. I picked up a new spray at the dollar store, an all-purpose cleaner from Dollarama. It is called Herzl, and it is, I believe it's Herzl, and it is a cherry scented cleaner. And oh my goodness, guys, it smells amazing. I use it on everything lately, from the counters. I've even used it on a mirror. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, the link is in the description below. I have tested it on one of my stories that I did, and I used it on a mirror, and it actually worked streak-free. So we are here in the kitchen getting things done. Chris is going to be starting on the dishes. He is super particular when it comes to the dishwasher. I'm a throw it in there, set it and forget it, and he is let's clean every dish off and put it in there before it even runs. So that's what's happening here. You're gonna see me running in and out while he sticks around and stays at the sink, and that's about it, guys. If you haven't done so already, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Something that really drives me insane is when the garbage leaks all over the inside of the garbage can. So I'm just using some Clorox bleach and a cloth to give that a good wipe out before I put another bag in. I'm gonna give this place a sweep, and then you're gonna see me start mopping. And in my bucket today, I have Pine Sol's Spring Blossoms Cleaner, and guys, it smells amazing. have been obsessed with this Scrubbing Bubbles foam cleaner that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And you guys have seen in my previous cleans where I've tidied up the bathroom that it is one that I always go to clean up the sink. It is so satisfying to spray it all over and just watch those bubbles form.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know
the toilet bowl cleaner I'm going to be using is good old Lysol toilet bowl cleaner with bleach. And I'm also going to be spraying down my toilet with Clorox bleach spray. I am just so accustomed with bleaching everything. When I was a kid, if it wasn't bleached, it wasn't clean. So it's only recently that I switched on over to using different all-purpose cleaners, but I always go back to bleach in the toilet because that is one spot in the house that you want to make sure is clean.
Like the phases of the moon. And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
Let me know in the comments below if you guys hotel fold your towels. When I was a kid growing up, my mom would obsess over the way we folded our towels, so I've just grown accustomed to folding it the hotel style way. Nothing beats a nice clean space. And as you guys can see out the window, it's dark outside, so I'm gonna go sit my butt on the couch, watch some Netflix, and chill out. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.